Thanks for your purchase of a ConsuLab engine bench. Your students are going to love this trainer. Once you've installed the provided software for the remote programmable fault box on a laptop of your choice, then please watch this 3-minute quick start video. For consistent results anytime using the engine bench, make sure that the charger is plugged in and the charge light is on. Then key on, engine off. Go ahead and open up the fault box to turn it on and wait until the red light flashes steady. In order to conceal all the faults that you've inserted from student eyes, close the box and lock it. Locate the double USB cable provided with your purchase. It's in the plastic bag that included the operation manual. Go ahead and plug it into the fault box. Plug the other end into the laptop that you previously installed the software on. Then go ahead and locate the icon that is on your desktop now. This opens the software. Expand it for a better view, then go ahead and click on Connect in the upper left corner of your screen. Highlight the icon for your engine bench and then click Connect. The software for our fault boxes will adapt to any fault box that you plug into. You are now in control. There are basically two types of faults you can insert, but unlimited combinations. First is the on-off fault, and then we have an adjustable fault. The adjustable fault works where you turn the fault on and off also, but you can adjust or manipulate the data that the PCM sees. And then you have on-off faults or open-closed circuit faults. And here are some ideas for some fault combinations that you can challenge your students with. You can choose to insert a single fault, in this case just the IAT, or you can choose multiple faults. You could put 2 or more actually, and really test their diagnostic ability. Or my favorite, and the real world fault, is the intermittent one. Click on the icon of the clock and you'll see you have a duty cycle of a prescribed amount of time, and you can choose how you want to set this up. In this case it's 20% of 10 seconds, or 2 seconds is how long the fault's going to be active. Again, you can manipulate it any way you want, or you can click a drop down box and pick time frames to work with and go back and adjust your duty cycle. In this case we'll stick with 20-something% of 10 seconds, so we're looking for a 2-second fault in every 10 seconds of time. Click OK to turn the fault on. Get out of that box and you'll see the clock is lit red, and now the injector has a 2-second fault every 10 seconds. So now it's functioning correctly, now it's in fault mode, now it's back to functioning correctly. Thank you for letting us help you teach technology, and be sure to watch part 2 for some tools and tips to help you get the most out of this engine bench.